One of the great things that we can offer patients is getting their smile back, giving them confidence, making their teeth whiter, making them feel happier, and giving them a reason to get out there and smile, which can really change somebody's life. Since the early 90s, I've been involved in taking a lot of advanced education around cosmetic dentistry. For several years, I actually did clinical instructing at NYU's Aesthetic Advantage School. So when somebody comes in and they have a question about making their smile nicer, we have to be able to offer them everything that's on the table. There's a lot of ways to make your smile look better. You could just whiten your teeth. You could add a little bonding. You could do Invisalign. Some patients want the full Hollywood smile makeover. We can do that too. We work with specialized labs. I have a lab that I work with in Dubai. I have a lab that I work with in Utah. So we know who the best ceramists are to help our patients get the best smile and let them achieve what they're looking for.